ngày. Vì quá yêu em nên không cần thể làm gì khác, chỉ cần ta mãi luôn dành cho nhau những trăng hoành. Oh yeah, I know you guys have been waiting all year for the Kieu karaoke hour. The San Diego family has been waiting too. More ear candy to come, but first, speaking of sweet things.
Oh, hello. Wow, it's amazing. Hello. The first time I met you.
Nice to meet you. Hello.
Kieu ơi.
Hello.
Kieu ơi.
Hello. Surprise.
It was a
Hello,
surprise.
surprise.
You know, I spent a lot of time for watching your video on YouTube.
Really?
Yeah, a lot of time.
Oh, thank you.
And because of your video,
Yeah.
your YouTube,
Yeah.
and I decided to stop working in Vietnam City.
Yeah. So you stopped working in the
Yeah,
city?
yeah, in a foreign company.
Yeah.
Yes.
So you saw my video and you stopped.
Yeah.
And you came down here to work
Yeah,
with
yeah.
Mr. Oh,
Yeah.
okay, that's good.
Thank
Wow.
you.
Wow.
And
Wow.
finally, you know, I'm so very happy.
Yeah.
So very happy because, you know, 27 years old,
Yeah.
I found my passion. Japan,
This is your passion.
Wow.
The chocolate is your passion.
Yeah.
Nice, nice. What were you doing before for the foreign company?
You know, I work in the technology company.
Yeah.
And 3 years ago, I spent a lot of time for learning English.
Yeah.
And you are your channel, YouTube channel, is one of my best source for learning English
Really?
at home. Yeah.
Oh.
I don't spend a lot of money to English center. I just stay at home and learn English.
Watching his video.
Yeah, I saw. Yeah, watch a lot of video from him.
Wow. For those of you who are a bit confused, please check out the original Chocolate Man documentary. But basically, Mr. Sammy here, who is half Vietnamese, half Indian, Canadian, retired and opened up his own chocolate factory to help the farmers nearby and people in the area, as well as to show the world that Vietnam has the ability to produce quality chocolate.
Rồi mời cả nhà mình đi qua bên này coi.
Visitors to Mien Tay can visit his factory and go on guided tours. You'll be able to see the whole process from tree to pod to fermentation to drying to mechanical processing to chocolate bar to hopefully chocolate in your mouth. I'm giving away too many spoilers here. You just have to visit this place and tell them Kyle sent you.
Ngày xưa lại đây là không có mấy cái nhà kho. Bây giờ mình mở rộng ra mình xây thêm.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's good. Good. Cái phát triển là nên
Yeah.
rất vui to see the progress like that.
Cái nón.
Nón gì đâu.
Ở trong túi có.
Không có. You have a lot of fans over there. Yeah. A lot of fans, you know?
Hello. Oh, cảm ơn nhiều. Nice to meet you. Hello. Okay, nice to meet you. Hello. Em tên gì?
Em là Hưng.
Hưng, nice to meet you.
Nhờ anh em mới biết được chú á.
Yeah.
Nhờ những video clip của anh thì em mới biết được chú.
I'm surprised. I'm surprised. Yeah, Ty too. He said he saw my videos and he started.
And he learned
then
English
came.
from your channel.
That's
Yeah.
surprising. That's shocking actually. That's really
Mọi
shocking.
người là ai cũng vậy luôn á. Là nhờ anh hết đó. Nhờ
Yeah, a
anh là
lot
nhân
of
viên ở
people
đây.
in this facility.
Tại vì mọi người ở đây đâu phải là ở cái vùng này đâu.
Yeah.
Dạ. Từ những cái nơi khác đến.
Wow,
Dạ.
I'm very emotional by that. Wow. Em xem cái video của anh về cái chỗ này,
Về cái nơi này.
về cái nơi này.
Dạ.
Nên sau khi đó em mới liên lạc với họ em lại đây.
Dạ đúng.
It makes me feel really happy to know that young people in Vietnam like An, Thai, and Hung here took realistic risks based off of their interests and passions. They all had other lives and jobs going for them, but they gave it all up for something uncertain, but something potentially more rewarding for them and for Vietnam. For that, I respect them dearly, and I hope they will continue to follow Mr. Sammy's mission and passion into something larger. They are really good people who even inspired me, and I'm glad I met them. You definitely inspired me, for sure. An and
Thank
Thai,
you so
you guys, it's incredible. Wow, I can't believe it. You gave up your city life
Yeah.
for a chocolate passion. It's incredible.
Yes,
It's
so
incredible.
happy.
I'm so happy to see the growth of this place, the progress of this place, and
Yes, definitely.
and I
yeah.
can't wait to come back in a few months, maybe next year. And,
Yes.
and I want this to be 2 floors,
Yeah.
two stories, right? You gotta build more, and yeah, it's pretty incredible. Yeah, it's pretty
Yeah,
incredible.
definitely. Thank
Nhìn
you.
nè.
And welcome all of you, okay?
Yeah, guys. Yeah, again,
hello.
look, one of the best things to do in the Mekong Delta is to visit this place, chocolate. They'll give you a tour. They'll give you an excellent tour. Everybody come here.
Yes.
You know, come here. Anh hy vọng là cái chỗ này nó sẽ phát triển cao hơn nữa, and cái
Yeah.
reward nó sẽ đến chứ hai em, tại vì hai em làm rất cực.
Yeah.
You know, có
Thank
khi
you.
7 ngày không nghỉ ngày nào luôn. You know, sáng tới chiều luôn. You know.
Thank you
for having me.
Thank you, my brother.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you.
thank you.
Everything's okay, right?
Tức là nó grow every day.
Every day grows. Okay, that's good. I'm happy to hear that. Yeah.
It grow every day as
Yeah.
you see where we expand the factory.
All right.
Double size now.
That's good. That's good. Cảm ơn chú nha.
Yeah.
I'll see you again. Yeah. See you again. I'll see you soon. Yeah.
Yeah. Bye bye cả nhà mình luôn.
Okay. Bye.
Yeah.
Bye guys. Bye. Thank you.
Yeah, goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank
See
you.
you again.
Thank you. Bye. And the other best thing to do in the Mekong Delta is this, matching ponchos. There's a little bit more to this.
We don't need our guys.
Yeah, when you have the almua.
Yeah. Just the corner.
I don't know how to say that in Vietnamese.
This is perfect. Kelly ripped my poncho.
Cheers, cheers, cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers to
Cheers
you guys.
To the yo.
To you
Yo,
guys.
1, 2, 3, yo.
the beehive.
Yeah. Oh, where?
Right here. Oh. Tổ ong.
Ong hả? Đài nắng nó rất là làm việc.
Yeah.
Có ai cầm không? Đây.
Who wants to hold it? Wow. Unbelievable. Yeah. Yay.
You want to hold it? Big?
Có mật đây.
It's not that bad. Don't shake them.
Don't shake it, yeah.
Don't shake it.
Don't
drop
shake
it.
and don't
Drop
lick.
the umbrella.
Don't make them angry.
Wait.
These are my favorites. They've been smoked.
Wow. Eat it.
Really? What if I drop it?
Oh,
Then we
you make
run.
them angry.
We run. We have
angry.
ponchos. We're good. They're like bee suits, kind of. Britney Spears. Britney Spears.
Wait, one more. Vô, tăng vô.
Con anh sẽ trọng anh hơn á. Con anh sẽ nể anh hơn á. Yeah, thợ săn man.
Khóm mà, khóm đâu.
We got doo-doo.
Doodle.
Khóm,
Then we
xoài.
got...
You hold.
No.
No, that's doo-doo.
Doodle.
Qua biển Đông Châu ăn tơ lụa vàng, vàng trong mắt ai tiếng cười lá lơi buông dài. Chiều ơi chiều dặn câu hò lơ.
Ai qua bên sông Tiền. Đây là hết rồi, chú quý khách một chuyến du lịch thật vui.
Okay, xin cảm ơn, xin cảm ơn. Encore. Yo, anh Minh, tao phiên hành đó. Yeah, this is the typical touristy boat experience here in Bến Tre, but it's actually pretty fun, guys. It's actually really fun. Yeah, you see it on every video, every tour package. Oh yeah, everything included. But you know, it's actually pretty nice. Model feeding the fish.
Để vô nha bố, để vô. Em đặt xuống dưới không có bố được.
Oh, that's so cool. Oh my god.
Wow.
Để xuống dưới luôn, cho em bố.
Wow. the best thing ever.
I just spotted something from afar, something that I absolutely had to have. Chum ro. Sweet gooseberries. Yeah. My mom used to love this when her mother would go to work and my uncle would take care of her. My uncle would buy this for her and it would keep her from crying. And whenever I see chum ro, sweetened gooseberries like this, it brings back memories and stories of not only my mother, but my mother's mother, my grandmother as well. So, yeah, gooseberries. It's awesome. Wow. I would say, oh, my childhood. Except it's not my childhood. It's my mom's childhood. Sweet thing. What you've been waiting for the past 10 minutes of this video and what the San Diego family has been waiting for all of their lives.
Bèo giật mây trôi trong xa xôi, em ơi anh vắng đời. Bèo giật thương nhớ ai, chim ca tang tính tình ca lội. Người đi xa có nhớ là nhớ ai được chớ chim trời sao chẳng thấy nhau. Mỏi mòn chuyến thâu suốt niềm thâu, em ơi anh vắng đời. Bèo giật thương nhớ.
Yes. Ooh, I lived my dream. I lived my dream of being a boat singer.
I'm gonna wrap it up here, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it or never want to hear me sing in a video again, please give this video a thumbs up. That's right, a thumbs up. Leave me a comment if you ever want to see me start a karaoke channel. That's not gonna happen yet. I really miss this, guys. I really miss Vietnam. I really do. I've done this so many times, but I really miss Vietnam. And more videos of Vietnam to come, of course. Please follow me on social media for more. Bye for now.
Cũng chỉ là tự giác, vì trái tim ta luôn luôn thuộc về nhau sau tới đời.